This isn't the end, unpacking its meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase. This isn't the end. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, especially for those of you learning it as a second language. So, let's explore what this phrase really means, its nuances, and how you can use it in various contexts. Stay tuned. This isn't the end is a phrase that carries a powerful message of hope, continuity, and perseverance. At its core, it suggests that despite any difficulties, setbacks, or conclusions you might face, there is more to come. This phrase is often used in situations where there seems to be a significant challenge or when something is coming to a close. But it emphasizes that the current situation doesn't mark the final point of an endeavor or experience. Personal challenges. When facing personal difficulties or failures, saying, "This isn't the end," serves as a reminder that there's room for recovery and growth. It's a way of telling someone, or yourself, not to give up, because the situation can improve. In stories and entertainment, in movies, books, or TV shows, this phrase often appears at climactic moments, suggesting that the story is not yet complete and there's more to unfold. It builds suspense and assures the audience of further developments. Academic and career setbacks. In the context of academic or career setbacks, "This isn't the end" is used to inspire perseverance. It reinforces the idea that one failure is not definitive and that there are still opportunities to succeed in the future. Global or community crises. During times of global or community crises, this phrase can be a rallying cry for collective hope and resilience. It's a way of encouraging a positive outlook, emphasizing that the current difficulties do not signify a permanent defeat. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. After failing an exam, a friend might console you by saying, "Don't worry, this isn't the end. You can try again." During a motivational speech, a speaker might encourage the audience with words like, "Even though we face challenges today, this isn't the end. We will overcome." In a dramatic movie scene where characters face a setback, one might say, "This isn't the end of our journey. It's just a new beginning." I hope this video helps you understand the depth and versatility of the phrase, "This isn't the end." Remember, its essence is to inspire hope and resilience, no matter the context. Whether you're facing personal challenges, enjoying a story, or encouraging others, this phrase can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language. See you in our next video.